The internet has given us unlimited access to the planet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Why are my instructors not the same way? And, if I can get DoorDash to drop off something off at 2 a.m, why can't I watch an instructor at class? One of the main reasons why we adopted Panopto is it was a big red button. That's all we wanted, was one button that you can press that gave us a very robust product where students have the abilities to have the automatic captioning. They can change video, what they want in the forefront, when the back. We can have the auto indexing with the slides. All that stuff we could use to the students' advantage, and we're still just hitting that one red button.